guests, Honorable City Mayor Carmen Geraldine Pirusal, City Social Welfare Ma'am Marlene G. Manaya, Assistant CSWDO Dr. Cecilia E. Arcelia, barangay officials from different barangays, cluster leader, child development trainers, child development workers, and parents, good afternoon. To our distinguished guests, Ma'am Marites C. Dineros, Education Program Supervisor, Private School and Kindergarten Coordinator from Department of Education School, Division of Office of Legazpi City. As the Child Development Worker Trainer of Cluster 2 from CSWDO Legazpi, Early Childhood Care and Development Section, I have the honor to present to you the Cluster 2 candidates for completion of preparatory kindergarten for the school year 2022-2023. From barangays, starting with 22 children from Sabang Child Development Center. Under the Child Development Worker, Miss Janita D. Bertumen. 20 children from Posada Child Development Center. Under the Child Development Worker, Greg Loreto. 14 children from Barangay 17 Child Development Center under the Child Development Worker, Miss Charito B. Riodique. 22 children from Don Juan Imperial Child Development Center under the Child Development Worker, Jerry A. Armenta. 20 children from Bunot Child Development Center 2 under the Child Development Worker, Miss Marian Alcazar. 20 children from Ditac Child Development Center under the Child Development Worker, Miss Griselda Benito. From the Cluster Child Development Centers, we have 65 male and 53 female with a total number of 118 preparatory kindergarten 2 children. I hereby certify that they have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of pre-kinder 2 as prescribed in the National Early Learning Curriculum under the Early Childhood Care and Development Program. May I humbly request you to confirm their completion. Thank you and God bless.
By virtue of the authority vested in me as the authorized representative of the Schools Division Superintendent of the Department of Education, Curriculum Implementation Division, Schools Division Office of Legazpi City, and in my capacity as the Education Program Supervisor in charge of kindergarten and private schools, after having been presented and duly certified by the CSWDO Legazpi, Early Childhood Care and Development Sections Cluster 2 Leader, Maria Anita A. Amaro, Child Development Worker Trainers, Gurley E. Loreto of Cruzada, Jerly A. Armenta of Don Juan Imperial, Haneta D. Bertumen of Sabang, Charito B. Riodique of Barangay 17, Marian Alcazar of Bunot 2, and Griselda A. Benito of Ditac, that you have satisfactorily completed all the requirements of preparatory kindergarten 2 as prescribed by the ECCD Council. I now accept and confirm you pre-kinder 2 children completers of Barangay 17 Child Development Center, Don Juan Imperial Child Development Center, Sabang Child Development Center, Boknot 2 Child Development Center, Rosada Child Development Center, and Dita Child Development Center for school year 2022-2023. You are now eligible to receive your certificate of completion. Congratulations.